Embarking on the journey of real estate investment is akin to stepping onto a vast canvas where each decision holds the potential to shape a narrative of prosperity. Within this dynamic landscape, diverse strategies unfold, each offering a unique perspective on the art of wealth creation through property. Consider the enduring allure of the buy and hold strategy. In this approach, investors envision acquiring properties not merely as assets, but as the foundation for a lasting legacy. Picture navigating the vibrant tapestry of growing cities and promising suburbs, strategically selecting properties with a long-term perspective. It's a testament to the belief that, over time, real estate appreciates, drawing inspiration from the sagacity of revered investors like Warren Buffett and Sam Zell. For those captivated by the transformative nature of real estate, the fix and flip strategy beckons as a creative endeavor. Beyond the financial gains, it involves the meticulous renovation of distressed properties. In this world, each renovation becomes a brushstroke, and every property a canvas awaiting revitalization. Tools like Redfin and FlipComp serve as artistic palettes, aiding in the fusion of market trends and renovation costs into profitable masterpieces. Drawing inspiration from the stories of industry figures like Chip and Joanna Gaines, who have turned fixer-uppers into dream homes. This strategy embodies the spirit of creativity in real estate. In the age of connectivity, real estate crowdfunding emerges as a symphony of collective ambition. This strategy transcends individual limitations, allowing participants to engage in grand projects alongside a community of like-minded investors. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul become portals to a shared destiny, where financial growth becomes a harmonious journey. In this collaborative realm, the names of participants may vary, but the collective spirit propelling the community forward remains a beacon of inspiration. The heartbeat of real estate resonates through the corridors of rental properties. It is a rhythm of steady income and the pulse of community building. Imagine utilizing cutting-edge property management software like Buildium or Appfolio as instruments, orchestrating the seamless symphony of rental operations. In this arena, inspiration is drawn from institutional giants like BlackRock, whose expertise in weaving vast portfolios into the fabric of success sets the standard. And then there are real estate investment trusts, REITs, where investment transcends boundaries to become a share in the collective prosperity of the real estate market. Investing in REITs, such as Vanguard Real Estate ETF, VNQ, is akin to planting seeds in a garden of financial growth. This strategy aligns with the trajectory of institutional investors like Vanguard, symbolizing the potential for boundless growth. As we embark on the journey of real estate mastery, consider the example of a visionary investor who embraced the buy and hold strategy. Through careful selection of properties, diligent management of rental operations, and patience in awaiting market appreciation, this investor built a diversified portfolio that became a cornerstone of their financial success. Within this transformative odyssey, let us remember that each strategy is not just a financial endeavor but a profound expression of our aspirations. The tools at our disposal are not mere software or market reports. They are instruments through which we compose the symphony of our financial destiny. The real estate landscape is our canvas, and with each strategy, we paint strokes of success that resonate through the corridors of time. In the world of real estate, our story is as remarkable as the destinations we reach. Let's dig a little deeper by a rental property. Investing in rental properties, whether for short or long-term leases, is a classic approach to real estate investment. The perks of being a landlord include deductions on various property-related costs, while positive cash flow and long-term appreciation are potential rewards. Challenges such as startup costs, tenant management, and property maintenance should be considered. Rent out a room, house hacking, involving renting out part of one's Residence offers a cost-effective entry into real estate investment. This strategy, which can be as simple as renting out a single room, provides an additional income stream to offset housing expenses. Advanced house hacking involves investing in multifamily properties, allowing for more extensive rental opportunities. Use an online real estate investing platform. Crowdfunding websites have emerged as a modern way to invest in real estate, enabling individuals to pool capital for projects. While offering higher potential returns, these investments are less liquid and carry more risk compared to publicly traded REITs. The accessibility and flexibility of online platforms cater to both accredited and non-accredited investors. Flip a house. House flipping involves purchasing distressed properties, renovating them, and selling for a profit. Successful flipping requires a keen eye for property potential, adequate capital, and effective project organization skills. While the returns can be quicker than traditional property management, the risks and challenges are substantial. Via REIT, Real Estate Investment Trusts, REITs, offer exposure to real estate without the hands-on responsibilities of property management. Publicly traded on stock exchanges, REITs provide a liquid and easily accessible investment option. Investors earn through dividends as REITs lease and collect rent on their diverse portfolio of income-generating properties. Invest in a real estate investment group, REIG. REIGs, comprised of private investors pooling resources, provide an opportunity to collectively own income-generating properties, while offering the chance to learn from experienced investors. Membership fees and potential pitfalls associated with inexperienced groups should be considered. Researching and aligning with a suitable group can make REIGs a valuable investment avenue. Conclusion: investing in real estate offers a spectrum of benefits, including stable cash flow, long-term appreciation, portfolio diversification, and tax advantages. However, it's essential to acknowledge the drawbacks, such as lack of liquidity and high startup costs. The diverse avenues within real estate investment cater to varying preferences and risk tolerances. Whether opting for hands-on property management or a more passive approach through REITs, investors can tailor their strategies based on goals and financial profiles. Frequently asked questions, FAQs: how much do real estate investors make? Real estate investors' earnings vary widely, influenced by factors such as location, chosen investments, deals made, time commitment, risk tolerance, and capitalization. While there's no earning limit, average annual returns for equity REITs have historically ranged from 6% to 11%. What are the pros and cons of investing in real estate? Real estate investing offers portfolio diversification, passive cash flow, long-term appreciation, and tax advantages. However, it can be time-consuming, subject to property value fluctuations, and challenging to sell quickly. Different types of real estate investments come with varying risks and rewards, requiring thorough research and consideration. What are the top tax benefits of real estate investing? Tax benefits vary based on the type of real estate investment. Rental property ownership provides numerous deductions, including mortgage interest, property taxes, maintenance, and more. House flipping and other investments may have different tax implications, requiring guidance from financial advisors or tax specialists to optimize strategies.